Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Facebook account. I'm going to show you step by step how to go about this. And for those who are wondering how this is possible, I'm going to show you. Now, the very first thing I want to tell you is if you have got a message like this, if this is the problem, then this video is for you. When Facebook tells you that they're not able to recognize your device and they can't match your device with your account, then this video will help you recover your Facebook account. So stay tuned as I show you step by step how to do this. So to do this successfully, guys, you have to gain access into Facebook somehow, maybe through a friend's account or through any other account. Gain access into Facebook, and next thing you have to do is to go to the search bar here and type in your name. Let's say our name in this video will be Jane Nashe. Okay, Jane Nashe right here, or Jane Nash. Click right there, type in the name. Let's say that's your name, Jane Nashe. Okay, it's just an example, guys. I have no idea who Jane Nashe is. Okay, Jane Nashe, and then I'm going to click right here on her profile name here. Click right there, and it displays here. I'm going to simply go into her profile. Okay, so you can see that this is her profile and this is her profile link right here. This is the home link, but this is her profile link right here, which I have here. So I'll simply go here and copy out her profile link. So let's say I am Jane Nashe. Okay, I'm Jane Nashe, right? And I need to reclaim my account or recover my account. So I'm going to click on the link here, which is my profile link. Click right there and copy it. And let's open a Microsoft Word document, and then we'll simply just go here and paste the link we copied. We'll paste it here. Let's call this FB link. Okay, FB link. Okay, and then next thing we'll do, guys, is to go to our browser. Let's just go here quickly to our browser, and we'll go to search our IP address. To do this successfully, you have to be logging in or making this request rather from the same location and using the same device that you used to sign into or that you used to sign into your account the last time you had access to it. So that's very important, without which this method will not work. So go right here. If you're using the same device and you're using you're at the same location you normally where to sign into your account, click on here and do find my IP address. Okay, my IP address. Click on this button right here, the search button, and you'll get a couple of results on the internet. And you should click on this one that says here, what is my IP.com. Click right here. Right, so when this page loads, the what is my IP.com address, you will find that it will show you your IP address right here. You can see right here, this is my IP address, and here I can copy it right here. So once you have this, simply go here and copy your IP address. The copy button is right here at the right hand corner. Click right here to say copy. So once that's done, I'll come back here to my Microsoft Word document here and go here to and say IP address. I'm going to paste it right here. Right, now that I have my IP address copied right here, next thing we want to do is to go into our email address or our email account, and I'm going to show you what you can do right away. Before you go to your email, guys, just copy these two details right here. Copy them out, copy them, and then you go to your email. So go into your email, and I need you to paste right here below. Paste them where you copied. And so I'm going to copy the link of the Facebook profile. I'm going to copy it or cut it and paste right here where it says profile link. And then I'm going to also copy this and paste it, the IP address, copy it or cut it and paste it right here where it says IP address. It's right there. I'm going to make it better. I'm going to paste it. Okay, as plain text. Paste right there. and then I have to enter my phone number right here. So basically, guys, what you do is let's delete all these old once we copy it here. So guys, what you have to do is to I need you to type this message to Facebook, right? You can put here as Facebook account access, right? Do that, account access, and then type out this email. Hello team, my Facebook account was recently hacked and I lost my credentials and all that. Type it exactly how you can find it here in this video. Just type it, take your time, you can pause the video and type it exactly as you see it. So once that is done, the next thing you do is to enter your account name here. So in this case, let's say I am Jane, okay, Nashe, okay. This is an example, guys. I'm sorry if whoever has this account. I'm going to say, you know what? Let's just say Jane. No, I'm going to say Bruno Eo, okay, Bruno Eo. So, but you get the message. You're supposed to type out the account name right here and enter the profile link, enter the phone number as well, which is your phone number, the one you used for the Facebook account. So make sure that this is your account, obviously, and you should know your phone number. That's clear. So type it here. Let's just say we are 278-198. Let's say this is your phone number, okay? I'm not sure if this is the correct phone number. I don't care. But now you get the message. Enter your phone number right there. You have your IP address here. You have the profile link here and your account name. So once this is settled, guys, type out this message right here the way I have typed out. And then next thing you do, guys, is to send it to Facebook. Now, what address do you send it to? You send it to the address support@fb.com. So this is the address you send it to. So guys, once you're done, guys, send it. And one thing to note is make sure that you're sending it with the email you use to register your Facebook address or your Facebook account rather. It's very important because you know that you have access to that email. That means that it's an authentic request from you to Facebook. Alright guys, that is it on this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.